Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a luxurious body care product that's been making waves in the skincare world, Mer The Reparative Body Lotion. This nourishing body lotion promises to deeply hydrate and repair dry, irritated skin. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Mer The Reparative Body Lotion comes in a 5.4-ounce bottle and is designed to nourish and restore skin's moisture barrier. It's infused with Mer's famous Miracle Broth, a proprietary ingredient that's touted for its healing, soothing, and hydrating properties. This lotion claims to leave the skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated with no greasy residue. It's suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and dry skin, and can be used daily by both men and women. From the very first use, I noticed that this body lotion has a rich, luxurious texture that absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a sticky or oily finish. I tested it in various conditions, after a shower, in dry indoor air, and on extra dry areas like my elbows and knees. In each instance, my skin felt noticeably softer and more hydrated after just one application. The moisturizing effect is long-lasting too, and I found that I didn't need to reapply throughout the day. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, this lotion delivers on its promise of hydration. My skin felt smooth and soft, and it gave my skin a subtle, healthy glow. The fact that it's infused with Miracle Broth is a big selling point, as many users swear by its skin healing properties. Additionally, the non-greasy finish makes it perfect for everyday use. However, as much as I love the benefits, there are a few drawbacks. First, the price is certainly on the higher end, so it might not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone. Also, while the scent is pleasant, it's not exactly for those who prefer fragrance-free products. Some might find the fragrance a bit strong for a body lotion. Is it worth the price? It depends. If you're someone who values high-end skincare and is looking for an intense moisture boost, this body lotion is a great option. The Miracle Broth infusion does seem to make a noticeable difference, especially for dry or irritated skin. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable lotions that offer similar hydration, though they won't have the same luxury factor or Miracle Broth. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels sturdy and elegant. The bottle design is sleek, and the lotion dispenses easily. The product feels premium, but as mentioned, the price tag may not match everyone's budget. I haven't needed to interact with customer support yet, but Mer's reputation for quality is well established, so I don't anticipate any major issues there. If you're considering alternatives, there are definitely some more affordable lotions that perform well in terms of hydration, like CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion or Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. They won't have the luxurious feel of Mer, but they're solid, dependable options. To wrap up, Mer The Reparative Body Lotion is a premium body lotion that delivers long-lasting hydration and a smooth, silky finish. While the price may be steep for some, it's a solid investment for those seeking luxury skincare or for skin that needs some extra TLC. If you don't mind spending a little more for the added benefits of Miracle Broth, it's a worthy addition to your skincare routine. If you found this review useful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that others can discover this video too. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to get the product in the comments below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts if you've used this product yourself. Until next time, stay glowing with Beautyistic.